Today I have installed the Call of Duty Modern Warfare. When I tried to launch the game, I got this error. The code execution cannot proceed because discord underscore game underscore sdk.dll was not found. To fix this error, click on OK and close stuff here. Go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on Open it. Select the virus and threat protection. Select Manage Settings. Scroll down and select Add or Remove Exclusions and select Yes. Select Add an Exclusion and select Folder. Navigate to the Game folder. Select the Game folder and then select Folder option. Game is added to this list. Go back to Virus and Threat Protection and select Protection History. Potentially unwanted quarantine. Click on the drop down and select Yes option. As you can see, game related file is in here. Select Action and select Restore option and select Yes. Do the same thing if any other game related file is in here. Once you're done, close stuff here and now you can start the game. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.